What's up, everyone? So, I don't normally do videos like this because by the time I typically get sneakers, everyone has already done their reviews. It's after the releases happened, a couple days of shipping. There really is no point. But I managed to get these, which are a pair of, I believe, Jordan 4 Fire Reds in a shock drop on the Sneakers app. I think it's close to a month before they're actually supposed to release. So I figure I actually do have time to get a video out there that shows these off before most of the community gets their hands on them. This is an interesting one because I actually didn't even know these existed. My wife woke me up the morning that these got dropped and said, "Oh, there's a pair that got shock dropped. You should try to go for it." And I was hoping that they were the off-white Jordan 5s, and they ended up being these. And she ended up not getting them, but I ended up getting them. And I'm not sure that I like them. White shoes typically aren't my thing, like solely white shoes. The red accent is a nice touch. It's kind of cool that these haven't dropped in this fashion since I think 1989. I don't have a lot of Jordan 4s, so I'm actually not sure if this is the standard box. It probably is. The elephant print or cement. That's pretty cool. I think the only other pair of Jordan 4s that I actually have are these right here, which are the tattoos. And nobody really liked these, but I think these are pretty neat. Underrated, I would say. The leather is kind of not that great. A little shiny and cheap feeling, but I really like the pattern from far back. So I don't have any other Jordan 4s to compare these to. I know with Jordan 1s you can see a difference in quality, but let's see kind of where these fall. All right, there you go. Initial impression, the leather feels kind of stiff, hard, but it doesn't necessarily feel cheap. It has a premium feel to it. Overall, it's not a bad looking shoe. If I'm being honest, it's still not personally my cup of tea. I think it would go well with the outfit I'm wearing actually at the moment. Got the red jacket, gray pants, so gray accent. And that's probably my biggest issue with a shoe like this is it's kind of hard to pair it with stuff. I do like the red accent at the top here. It's kind of a nice touch. The tongue is nice. The tongue looks like it's full leather. Well, less, that portion there, but it's leather all the way up to the top, which I don't know if other Jordan 4s are like that. Looks like they are. One thing that I never really cared for about the Jordan 3 is that the tongue ends up being this other material. So that's pretty nice. Let's actually see if I can get a close-up here. I know that these got re-released, and I think they had the Jumpman on the back. I want to say 2013 or something. So I think this is the first time in 20 some years that it actually says Nike Air on the back. And I do think that looks pretty good. Overall, it's not a bad looking shoe. I think if you like the colorway, it is probably worth buying. Here, let's put them in the display so we can look at how nice they would look with no distractions. I think most likely I am going to end up reselling this pair. I don't think I like them enough to keep them for myself, but I certainly wouldn't fault anyone else for liking these. I do think the quality is there. I don't have any real noticeable, obvious complaints about them. Just not my cup of tea. All right, I think that does it. See you later.